This business will bleed you dry. You think you understand how this business works?
Landman Season 3 is not coming to continue the story. It is coming to completely redefine it. And if you thought Season 2 was heavy, if you thought watching Tommy lose MTEX, lose Cammy, lose the life he had barely held together was the hardest thing this show was ever going to put us through, then this trailer is telling you directly you haven't seen anything yet. Everything that felt like an ending in Season 2 was actually just the ground being cleared. And now Season 3 is about to build something on top of that cleared ground that none of us are fully prepared for. Tommy Norris is starting over, without Cammy, without MTEX, without the structure that defined who he was for 2 entire seasons. And the trailer makes it very clear that starting over doesn't mean starting fresh. It means carrying every single scar from before into a brand new battlefield. So if you are not ready for what is coming, I completely understand. But we are going to break this trailer down together, piece by piece, because there is so much underneath the surface of it that deserves to be talked about properly. Let's start from the very beginning of where we are, because context matters more than anything else when you are trying to understand why this trailer hits the way it does. Season 2 ended with Tommy standing at what should have been a finish line. Monty was gone. The chaos of the early seasons had settled into something that almost looked like opportunity. For a brief moment, it genuinely felt like the show was finally going to let this man breathe. Like maybe after everything he had survived, after every compromise he had made, and every impossible situation he had walked into with nothing but his instincts and sheer stubbornness, the universe of this show was going to give him something resembling peace. And for a moment, it actually did. CTT oil exploration and cattle was born in that final episode, and it felt like a declaration. Tommy wasn't fixing someone else's problems anymore. He wasn't keeping someone else's empire from collapsing. He was betting on himself, on Cooper, on TL, on the one thing that had never let him down, which was family, and that deep, almost hereditary instinct for this industry that runs through their bloodline, whether they asked for it or not. And when Billy Bob Thornton described that ending, he said Tommy lets himself be happy for a change, but it's a weary happiness. That line stuck with me because it is the most honest description of where Tommy Norris lives emotionally. He smiles, but he is already bracing for the fall. He breathes, but he never fully exhales. And now watching this Season 3 trailer, you understand exactly what that weary happiness was warning us about. Because the fall that Tommy was quietly bracing for in that final scene of Season 2 is here. It has arrived. And it didn't come quietly. The trailer opens with a version of Tommy that feels both familiar and completely different at the same time. He is still sharp. He is still carrying that particular brand of exhausted confidence that Billy Bob Thornton plays better than almost anyone working in television right now. But there is something underneath it in this trailer that wasn't quite there before. There is a rawness, a vulnerability that Tommy has always fought incredibly hard to keep buried. And what Season 3 seems to understand, what this trailer communicates in almost every single frame, is that you cannot start over without first admitting that something ended. And for Tommy, what ended was not just a job or a company or a professional relationship. What ended was the version of his life that had Cammy in it as a partner, as someone in his corner. As the person who, even when things between them were difficult and complicated and sometimes completely broken, was still fundamentally on the same side as him. That is gone now. And the trailer does not let you forget it for a single second. Every scene, every line of dialogue, every choice in the way this thing was cut together is built around that absence. Cammy is not beside Tommy anymore. And the space where she used to stand is not empty in a quiet way. It is empty in a loud, heavy, suffocating way that reshapes everything around it. CTT feels different without that dynamic. The conversations Tommy has feel different. Even the way he carries himself in certain moments of this trailer feels like a man who is constantly aware of something missing and is working very, very hard not to show it. Because that is who Tommy Norris is at his core. He does not process loss by falling apart in front of people. He processes it by moving forward so aggressively that the loss can barely keep up with him. But it always does. That is the tragedy at the heart of this character and this show. You can outrun almost everything in the oil business. You can outrun bad deals and worse people and collapsing companies and dangerous alliances, but you cannot outrun the personal cost of the life you have chosen. And season 3, based on everything this trailer is showing us, is the season where that bill finally comes due in full. The new beginning that Tommy built in those final moments of season 2 is real. CTT is real. The choice to walk away from MTEX and build something on his own terms is real. But the trailer is making it very clear that real does not mean safe. Real does not mean stable. And real absolutely does not mean that the people and forces and unresolved tensions from the previous chapters of his life have simply agreed to leave him alone just because he decided to turn the page. Galino is still there. That offshore rig is still out there in the dark water. And Cammy, who is now running MTEX without Tommy, is not disappearing into the background of this story. If anything, the trailer suggests she is stepping further into the foreground, and the collision course between her new life and Tommy's new life is being set up with the kind of slow, deliberate, almost agonizing patience that this show does better than almost anything else on television right now. This is not a trailer about triumph. It is a trailer about the consequences of choices. Every single choice that Tommy made across 2 seasons, every alliance and every sacrifice and every moment where he chose the harder right thing over the easier wrong one is catching up with him simultaneously in season 3. And watching it all converge in this trailer is genuinely one of the most thrilling and unsettling viewing experiences this show has given us yet. To understand where season 3 is taking us, you have to be willing to sit with what Cammy actually did at the end of season 2, because I think a lot of people watched that finale and processed her decision as a betrayal, and I understand why. On the surface, firing Tommy and choosing to run MTEX without him looks like a cold move. It looks like a woman choosing power over partnership. But the more you sit with it, the more you watch this season 3 trailer with that context in your mind, the more you start to realize that Cammy's decision was not born from cruelty. It was born from survival, because Cammy had been watching Tommy for 2 full seasons. She had watched him carry impossible weight with a kind of quiet dignity that she clearly respected and loved, but she had also watched that weight slowly change him. Slowly pull him further and further into a version of himself that had less and less room for anything outside of the next crisis, the next deal, the next disaster that needed to be managed before it swallowed everyone whole. And at some point, you have to ask yourself a very honest question. Was their relationship fracturing because they stopped loving each other? Or was it fracturing because the life they were living together was simply not sustainable for 2 people who both carry that much intensity? I think it was the latter. And I think on some level, Cammy knew that the only way either of them was going to have any real chance at building something that actually worked was if they stopped trying to build it together inside the same collapsing structure. Firing Tommy was not Cammy giving up on him. It was Cammy making the only move she could see that didn't end with both of them buried under the rubble of MTEX. Now in season 3, the trailer shows us a Cammy who is carrying the full weight of that decision. She has MTEX, she has the offshore rig, she has the gamble of her life sitting in dark water, waiting to either validate everything she sacrificed or collapse into the worst mistake she has ever made. And what the trailer communicates so powerfully is that Cammy is not at peace with where she is either. There is a steeliness to her in these new scenes that wasn't always there before. A kind of hardness that you only develop when you have made a decision that cost you something enormous, and you have decided to make that cost worth it, no matter what it takes. She is not running MTEX with joy. She is running it with determination. And there is a very significant difference between those 2 things. The trailer hints very strongly at the offshore rig becoming the defining storyline of her arc this season. Newsom heading out to sea was already established as a ticking clock at the end of season 2, and season 3 is clearly going to pay that storyline off in a way that will have massive consequences for everyone. If they strike oil, Cammy wins. And if Cammy wins, the professional and personal distance between her and Tommy becomes something much more complicated than just 2 people who couldn't make their relationship work. It becomes a rivalry. a genuine, high-stakes, emotionally charged rivalry between two people who know each other better than almost anyone else in the world, which makes them uniquely capable of hurting each other in ways that no one else could. And the trailer is already teasing that dynamic with a precision that is genuinely impressive. The scenes between them feel different from anything we have seen from these two characters before. There is a formality to their interactions now. A careful, deliberate distance that both of them are clearly working to maintain because they both know what happens if that distance collapses. The warmth is still underneath it. You can feel it in the way they look at each other in certain moments. But it is buried under layers of everything that happened, everything that was said, and everything that was chosen. And watching two people try to navigate a professional collision course while carrying that kind of buried personal history between them is exactly the kind of storytelling that Landman does better than almost any other show currently on television. Now, let's talk about CTT. Because while the Cammy storyline is emotionally the most charged thread running through this trailer, CTT is operationally the most fascinating thing Season 3 is setting up. Starting a company with your son and your father-in-law is not just a business decision, it is a declaration of identity. It is Tommy Norris standing in the wreckage of everything he built and lost and saying, clearly and without apology, that the only foundation he trusts anymore is the one made out of people who share his blood. And there is something both incredibly moving and genuinely terrifying about that declaration. Moving because after 2 seasons of watching Tommy operate in environments built entirely on calculated self-interest, watching him choose something as fundamentally human as family loyalty feels like a victory. Terrifying because bringing the people you love most into an industry as brutal and unforgiving as the oil business is not protection. It is exposure. It is taking everything that matters to you and placing it directly in the path of everything that could destroy you. And the trailer makes it very clear that Tommy understands this. There is a scene in the trailer where Tommy is watching Cooper work, and the look on his face is not pride alone. It is pride mixed with that specific kind of parental fear that sits in your chest and never fully leaves. Because Cooper's talent is real. We established that in Season 2. That gifted instinct for refineries and operations and the deep mechanical logic of this industry is something that cannot be taught. It is something you are either born with or you are not. And Cooper was born with it in a way that even people who have spent their entire careers in oil cannot help but notice. But as we also established in Season 2, that talent is not just an asset. It is a target. It draws attention from people who want to use it. It draws interest from people who want to control it. And bringing Cooper into CTT, while it solves one problem, simultaneously amplifies another one, which is that now if someone wants leverage over Tommy, all they have to do is look at the person standing beside him. The trailer seems to be leaning very heavily into this dynamic. There are moments in it that suggest Cooper is going to be tested this season in ways that go beyond anything he faced in Season 2. The marriage arc with Ariana is clearly moving forward, which adds another layer of personal stakes to his story, because Cooper is no longer just a son trying to prove himself to his father. He is a man trying to build a life on his own terms while operating in an industry and a family dynamic that constantly threatens to consume everything personal in its path. And TL's presence in CTT adds yet another dimension to all of this, because TL brings history. He brings the kind of deep, long-standing, complicated loyalty that only exists between people who have been through genuine hardship together. And in an operation as young and fragile as CTT, that kind of loyalty is invaluable. But it also comes with expectations, with weight, with the unspoken understanding that certain things cannot be undone or walked back, and that the bond between these men carries a cost that will eventually need to be acknowledged. What the trailer is setting up with CTT is essentially a pressure cooker, a small, family-built operation trying to survive and grow in the same industry and against some of the same forces that have already broken much larger and better resourced companies. And doing it while carrying every personal and emotional complication that comes with working that closely with the people you love most. Season 3 is going to test CTT in ways that will test every relationship inside of it simultaneously. And watching that unfold, watching Tommy try to be a father and a partner and a founder and a survivor all at the same time in this new context is going to be one of the most compelling things this show has ever attempted. Here's the thing about Landman that separates it from most other shows in this space. The threats in this world do not resolve neatly. They do not get defeated or neutralized or quietly removed from the story when the season ends. They wait, they recalibrate, they find new angles. And no character in this entire show embodies that truth more completely than Galino. Galino coming back into Tommy's life in season 2 was never just a plot complication. It was the show reminding us that in this world, the debts you accumulate never expire. They sit in the background, accruing interest, until the moment when the person you owe decides that the time has come to collect. And the terrifying thing about Galino, the thing that makes him genuinely one of the most unsettling presences in this entire story, is not his capacity for violence, or his connections, or his resources. It is his patience. The man is not in a hurry. He does not need to rush. He has already demonstrated that he is willing to wait as long as it takes to position himself exactly where he needs to be before he makes his move. And that patience, combined with the fact that his plans remain genuinely unclear even now, is what makes the Galino thread in Season 3 feel like a live wire running underneath every other storyline in the trailer, because you do not know when it is going to connect. You do not know what form the consequence is going to take. You just know that it is coming, and Tommy knows it too. That awareness is visible in the trailer. There is a watchfulness in Tommy's eyes in certain scenes that goes beyond normal vigilance. It is the specific alertness of a man who knows that something is moving toward him and cannot yet see exactly what shape it is taking. And that kind of sustained tension, that low-frequency dread that never quite resolves, is something the trailer is using incredibly effectively. The offshore rig storyline sits alongside the Galino thread as the other major source of structural tension in Season 3. Newsom heading out to sea was already framed at the end of Season 2 as a gamble with enormous consequences, and the trailer confirms that this storyline is going to be central to everything that happens this season. The imagery around the rig in the trailer is deliberate. The dark water, the isolation, the sense of something immense and uncontrollable sitting just beneath the surface waiting to be either unlocked or unleashed. If MTech strikes oil out there, it changes the entire power dynamic of the season. Cammy goes from someone who made a desperate gamble to someone who won. And a Cammy who has won is a fundamentally different force in Tommy's life than a Cammy who is struggling. It removes the possibility of reconciliation or reunion on any terms that feel equal. It makes the distance between them not just emotional but structural. Permanent in a way that struggling alongside each other never quite was. And the trailer is clearly aware of this. The scenes involving the offshore operation carry a weight that goes beyond normal dramatic tension. They feel consequential in the way that only things that cannot be undone feel consequential. Beyond Galino and the rig, the trailer also hints at new threats that Season 3 is introducing into Tommy's world. The oil business does not stop generating dangerous people just because you change companies. And CTT, as a young and relatively vulnerable operation, is going to attract exactly the kind of attention that Tommy was hoping to leave behind at MTech's. New faces appear in the trailer that carry that specific energy of people who have come into this story to complicate it. And the way they are positioned around Tommy and Cooper and the CTT operation suggests that the pressure on this family is not going to decrease in Season 3. If anything, the transition from operating inside a large established company to running something small and new and exposed has made them more vulnerable, not less. The walls that MTech's provided, even with all its dysfunction, are gone. And without those walls, every threat lands closer to the people Tommy is actually trying to protect.